Hi, my name is Duncan Millard and I'm a solution development consultant here at MCS, Microsoft Consulting Services. I've been working in development and consulting all my career, which is a little bit of a long time now. If I say that sort of my love for programming started with my Acorn Electron that I got for Christmas one year, that'll probably date me to one part of the audience, and the other part of the audience will be going on to Bing and saying, Acorn Electron, what's that? Yeah, okay. So I've always kind of liked programming and been a techie, and my first job, I started out just in a pure development role, albeit a slightly client-facing one. And that kind of, I found from that I quite enjoyed the consulting side of things. So my career kind of then followed more of a kind of a consultant, a technical consultant role, always kind of keeping my hands on the keyboard and being a developer. And then 8 or 9 years ago, that led me here to Microsoft, where I sort of became a solution development consultant, focusing on big lighthouse projects, as we called them, the sort of complex technologies or new technologies or complex projects that maybe Microsoft partners didn't want to attempt, so MCS would pick those up and do those. And really the role has stayed the same in its principles over the last 8 or 9 years, in that we still address new technologies. So obviously we're very focused on Azure and cloud now. We're very focused on bringing that to our customers, helping them adopt cloud, helping them transform their business, and really sort of being involved on the forefront of all of this new wave of cloud technology that we're trying to bring to the market. The core challenges that we have are the same. I think we still have constantly to be on the crest of the wave of the latest technology. We have to be in a position to bring those to our customers. We have to be in a position to be able to apply these effectively and explain these and help them make sense to people who maybe haven't worked in these technologies before. We still work on the complex projects. It's quite fantastic, really. And I think that's probably the highlight, is the complexity, the constant change. You know, one week I might be working as a developer, hands-on, writing some Azure Data Factory pipelines. Another week I might be leading a dev team of 20 or 30 people and trying to make sure we're delivering on this kind of big 6-month plus engagement for some critical customer project. And I think that enjoyable complexity is also the most challenging part. You have to be very adaptable. You don't know whether you're going to be one week doing advice and guidance, one week working on a whiteboard on a completely brand new project where nobody really knows what's going on, or whether you're going to be brought in to try and solve some really horrible problems that your customer's having that are really, really hurting them and that you need to fix right now. I love working at Microsoft. I don't have to say that, they're filming me, right? But I do like working here. It's a really great environment. The people here are so good, they're so smart. You work with people who are inspired by technology, who love to learn, who love to improve, who always want to do the best and do the right thing. I know that sounds a bit like marketing spiel, but it's actually true, and I kind of see it every day in the people I talk to. In terms of where I want to go with my career, I mean, if you'd asked me 10 years ago, I wanted to work at Microsoft running dev teams, and I've been doing that for the last few years, and it's absolutely fantastic. So right now, I'm passionate about the technology, I'm passionate about learning, I'm passionate about improving our customers' business, and really I get to do that here. So I'm kind of really happy with the work I can do here, the work I do here, and the people I do it with. So if you're thinking of applying, you know, give it a go. What have you got to lose? And you might actually enjoy it. I do.